What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. We're gonna be dropping engines in today because we're tired of waiting on parts, so we're just gonna go ahead and stab her in there. The engine's basically complete. I just need a gasket there and put the AC compressor on. Other than that, she's good. But we were excited, so we decided we want to put the engine in. And the bay is clean. Like, just a little bit of degreasing went so far. Like, it's pretty amazing. But yeah, we are going to see right now how that fresh 5.0 looks in Project Two-Tone. Guys, we do got a couple other little things coming that we'll talk about later for Two-Tone. But for now, we're going to get the engine in and do a couple little small projects. And I forgot I've got to put a windshield in it. The list just keeps coming. Okay. As always. It always keeps coming. And then hopefully we'll be able to get it over to Nick here shortly. Wheels and tires still on back order. But regardless, we'll set this beast in there. Alright, quick update. Of course, when they put the shifter in, they had to cut the console. So going to need a console. Can't really do anything with that, but the cool thing is I've got all of this, and I think I'll probably go ahead and put a cup holder in it while it's apart. But yeah, I got the got that shifter out, and I'm gonna swap the pedals, and seats are out because they're replaced anyway. And I've got to order some pocket deletes and new armrests. So every time you look at a Fox body, your bill goes up. It's part of it. But we do have the cargo cover. So that's you're always looking for the silver lining, you know. All right. So, you know how this was just going to be a simple affair, and it's not. We always end up in this.
Yeah, now you got to buy new carpet.
Well, honestly, this stuff's better. Yeah. No, I'm going to take the carpet out. We're going to have it steam cleaned. And while we had it apart, we realized the cluster was wrong. Or not wrong, but the speedo didn't work. So, another cluster. What else? Pedals. We got the pedals all set to go back in. Yeah. So I need to buy mount pocket deletes. LMR is just gonna, I just need to give them my credit card number and just let it go. Yeah, so mount pocket deletes and armrests. But the good news, did find a console. It was hidden away, so yeah, it is the right color. I'm gonna have to clean it up and dye it, but you can see when they put the C4 in it, cut the console. But we got sidetracked. The initial goal was to drop the perfectly detailed small block Ford into its home. So I guess we're gonna do it. Good. Going sideways. Oh yeah.
Alright, ease it down.
Like a glove. Going in, going in, going in. Slow down a little bit.
What are you doing, man?
Easy. Ah, I went the wrong way.
Come on, man.
You want to come back up?
Yeah, come on, man.
I'm trying. That's what I get. Trying to film and lower an engine. Come down?
Yeah, come on.
In? Like Flynn?
You good? I'm good.
Yeah.
That party.
Man.
Too good for the car.
Yeah. It's getting there. A little bit at a time. Come on now. Yeah, it looks amazing sitting in there. Yep, see you in.
It's like putting a diamond on top of a stainless steel ring.
Yeah, once this is all back together, it's gonna look amazing. Yeah. This reminds me of that conversation, that video I did a while back. Said anytime you put something new into something old, everything else is gonna look worse.
Yeah.
Now the engine bay that we cleaned and looked good, now you're starting to see where it looks dirty and stuff. Oh well. That looks amazing.
So nice.
Yes. Yeah, that looks great.
You already get the new motor on.
Yeah, brand new motor. Brand new motor. Now, I don't like to brag, but I'm gonna say this is probably the best restored 5-liter I've seen in a long time. There's some really nice ones out there, but
Yeah.
I mean, for us,
Yeah,
yeah, just for back in the woods here where we at, I think we did all right. I love it. Ought to run great. It's got a warranty. Can't really ask for no more. And then the winner puts a top end kit on it and
Yeah,
warranty's good. Oh well, it's yours to do with whatever you want. Yeah, that looks amazing. All right, boys, so that's gonna wrap up this episode of It Pretty Much Needs Everything. So let's go through it. And anyway, yeah, that looks amazing in there. Give us a little bit. Should be looking good. Theoretically, we can drive it to paint.
Hopefully, yes. That's the plan.
Theoretically.
Yeah, that's the plan. It's
So-
in there now, so yeah.
Yeah. All we gotta do is hook everything back up. It's not like we did an engine swap or anything on it. Hook everything back up and put trans, got new clutch, all that coming, and yeah, pretty much drive it over to Nick's for a fresh spray. Maybe after that the wheels will come off back order. I don't know. All right, boys, so that is pretty much going to wrap that one up. And again, I know it's kind of slow going, but Project Two-Tone will be given away before Ford Takeover. We're going to do it kind of like we did last year, where it was like 2 weeks before Ford Takeover where we drew the winner. And that gives the opportunity, if the winner is in anywhere near Tennessee, that he can come and we can kind of give the car away at the event like we did last year. Because that was really cool. And if the winner's in California, okay, we'll figure that out. But anyway, that's the plan. So lots coming, and I got a couple of surprises for you, so stay tuned for that on Project Two-Tone. Got a special guest coming to do a little mod to Project Two-Tone. So that is what is up, guys. Make sure hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and catch you on the next one.